This recipe is for roasted vegetables. Roasting is a quick, easy, and delicious way to serve a variety of vegetables. This method of cooking brings the vegetables' natural sugars to the surface and maintains the nutrients. You'll want to begin by preheating your oven to 450 degrees. I'm going to do a butternut squash and beet combination, so you'll need 1 medium butternut squash, 3 medium beets, 2 tablespoons high heat oil, I use avocado oil, a half teaspoon salt, and a half teaspoon pepper. Use a vegetable peeler to peel the squash. Then you'll want to cut off the ends. Remove the seeds. And then cut the squash into bite-sized pieces. Place all of these in a gallon-sized Ziploc bag along with the oil, salt, and pepper. Zip the bag and mix well. This method uses a minimum amount of oil, making it a healthy way to cook. Spray a baking sheet with baking spray and spread the squash evenly on the pan. You can just prepare the squash, or you can add a variety of vegetables. I'm going to add beets that I peeled and diced the same way as the squash, and I'm going to add those to the same bag that I previously used with a little oil, salt, and pepper. Then zip the bag shut just as you did before and mix well. Add those to the same pan with your squash and then bake at 450 for about 20 to 25 minutes or until brown. You can turn them once after about 10 minutes so they brown on all sides. Potatoes are excellent roasted. These are red potatoes with carrots. You can come up with your own variations. Just be sure to combine veggies that will all cook at the same rate. Serve these as a side dish with chicken, beef, or seafood. Here I've served it with a whitefish. Click here for the recipe for easy bake fish sticks. And don't forget to subscribe.